My video tutorial is about removing the adware called LaserGradualActivity. LaserGradualActivity is a new adware which is the part of the adload family. This is the adware attacking many Mac computers these days. And the adware, once installed, starts to show a lot of intrusive advertisements while you surf the internet. Furthermore, this adware may periodically redirect your browser to many dangerous places in the internet. This adware is often spread through being integrated with many free applications, and so in most of the cases users download and install it absolutely unintentionally. So if it was installed to your system somehow, make sure you remove it. So right click on it and move it to the trash. Also, I recommend you to additionally research your computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Use this green download Combo Cleaner button, install the software, and then start investigating your system with its help. After you start Combo Cleaner antivirus for the first time, the application will be initially in the trial mode, even though certain features of Combo Cleaner are absolutely free to use. For example, disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, and after it is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan button. Combo Cleaner antivirus will then begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. There are some other features that require premium license. They are antivirus, privacy scanner, and uninstaller feature. The scanning duration depends on various factors, of course. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time, and it may depend on some other factors too, of course. So take your time, wait until the scanning by Combo Cleaner has been successfully accomplished. Also, if you choose to upgrade to premium, you can request a limited functionality trial activation key. But definitely premium license is a much better solution to keep your system always protected from further adware or malware attacks. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider premium license, and this way your system will always be protected from further virus attacks.